$92. Back to you with another video. If y'all hitting that like, subscribe, or comment, go ahead and do that right now. I just woke up trying to get some content for y'all. So like I said, we got another little simple mod. It's gonna add to the Daytona look, so y'all stay tuned. But like I said, keep smashing that like, that comment, and all that. We're doing a giveaway. We had 1992 subscribers, so we're gonna do a nice little giveaway. So let me get into the video. Alright y'all, so for this mod, all you're gonna be needing is a flat tip screwdriver. These are Puddle lights. All you do is just put it underneath there. Damn it. Pop up. Ah, did I break it? No. Alright, you pop that off. You pull it out. It's a little push tab right here. And you pull that out. If I could get it. It's a little push tab. Oh. Damn it. Sorry. I want to break it. Okay, there's like a, on the back side, you just push it in and it should pop right out. I'll leave the link in the description on these. They're about 40, 50 bucks. Ah! 40, 50 bucks. Let me see. They just pop right in. And you put everything back up. And I should just go right back in the hole. Oh, let me see how this is gonna work. So you just pop it right back in. Let's see. Oh, snap. Pop right back in and bam. There you go. So I'm gonna do all the other ones and I'm gonna show y'all a before and after.
2 hours later.
So as you can see, there's nothing there. And then bam, the Daytona. I'm keeping the Daytona theme because not too many people have Daytonas around here. So I'm gonna just keep the Daytona thing, but we're gonna get into all 4 of them and then you'll be able to see it right about now. And just like that, bam, the Daytona. How y'all like that? Tell me what y'all think. I got the lights and stuff. Bam, they're clean. Very easy install, very easy. Well, like I said, that's the mod. Very easy, simple mod. I'm gonna post a video. It's real simple, so let me know what y'all think, you know. It's about 40 bucks, 45 bucks from on eBay. I'll put the link in the description. Like I said, thank y'all for watching, subscribing, and commenting and all that. Keep hitting those fire emojis and all that. I appreciate all the love and all the, you know, subscribers. So thank y'all.